Hi, this is Edo from Framer, and today I want to show you a new exciting way to edit CMS content inline on the canvas. First, I'm going to select a layer to show you that it's now easier to see when there is content coming from the CMS, and when you click it, the overlay opens with that specific field highlighted. Now, editing content in this overlay is a nice shortcut to the CMS, but it's far from intuitive, and since our plan is to make content editing easy for everyone, it all starts by letting you select and double-click to edit content inline. And this new intuitive experience applies to a number of fields. For instance, you can now double-click a date to change it with a picker, with the new date respecting the format you're using, and you can also double-click to edit references inline. All these changes are immediately reflected in the CMS, as you can see. And if we go back to the canvas, you'll see you can also double-click an image to change it specifically for that CMS item. But the real power comes when you edit rich text inline. Just like for other elements, you can double-click to edit, and when you press enter to go into a new line, you'll see that you can type / to add blocks. This new handy menu allows you to do a number of things, like adding a new heading. And when you have it open, you can just start typing to filter out blocks, like an image one. I'm going to select this one, and once it's added, I can just click to select another image if I want to. Just by typing /, you can add pretty much anything as you're editing inline. For instance, one of my favorite blocks is the table one. Once you add a table, it's immediately editable inline, so you can change things like a title or select the content of a cell to edit it, and you can even use the 3 dots menu to add rows and columns and other things. As you've seen so far, everything I add is editable, including block quotes. For instance, let me add a quick em- over here. Even code blocks are now editable inline, so I can just go over here and type something like bounce 0.5, and you see that the code is formatted and respecting the color theme I chose. And lastly, YouTube videos are inline editable as well. Now, we feel that overall this is a huge leap forward in letting you edit content visually, and of course, editing content in the CMS or the CMS overlay remains useful in a number of cases, and that's why we ported the / command there as well when you're editing content in a rich text field. This update builds the foundation for a lot of exciting things to come. We really hope you enjoyed it. Happy inline editing and see you soon.